Hey everyone, so we have a 10 by 20 gallery wrap. It's all prepped and ready to go. I did mix up some Grumbacher Turquoise to a runnier consistency than I normally do for painting. Some of you might say, well, that's the consistency that I use, but I don't. So this is what I use for my backgrounds. And I'm going to pull yarn, and I want to show you the consistency of the white. It's pretty thick. It would be probably after pouring medium, this is what you would get before you add Floetrol. So I did add a little Floetrol to that, but not much. Okay, so I'm going to get my turquoise down. I always make too much paint. I'm not worried about getting my sides completely covered because I'm probably going to have to go back with a brush and touch it up anyway. So, and I can use that paint to touch up, or I can mix up some with a little bit of pouring medium just to paint it on. You don't want to use it straight out of the tube because I don't think the colors would match. So instead of Great Payne's Gray this time, we're going to use something different. And I have it on my banding wheel so I can turn it around. And we're already sticking to the paper towels like we did last time. I want to get more of this off. Okay. So time to get messy. Alright, I'm going to need a bunch of paper towels to wipe my hands off because we're dealing with that white. It's messy. I already have my yarn cut and I made them pretty long so I can get through the length of the canvas. And you can't see what I'm doing, so I'm going to bring it right here for right now. So all I'm doing is pushing the yarn down into the paint. I want it to coat it, and then I run it against the stick to get the majority of it off. Because you don't need a ton. It's a long one. Alright, so I'm going to come around this way. And I'm going to go ahead and start placing my strings. And if you drip, just touch it. It'll go away. And I'm not doing this as flowers. I'm just doing this as abstract. I did one for my mom that I've shown on a couple of videos. I can't wait to give it to her. I wish I could have been home for Mother's Day. Okay, we're going to come on this side. And we're going to drop it. Okay, so let's see what the first two give us. And I'm just pulling it right off there. And I don't know why we're selling. There is no silicone in any of this. So I don't mind if we get a few cells, I guess. But I can see we're going to need to put a lot more yarn on here. Okay. probably selling because of the Floetrol. But I don't mind it. It's kind of different. For when I first thought, I was like, but you know, now that I'm looking at it, it's not that bad. I can live with it. Okay, so I'm going to do one in the middle now. Try to get these loops in between where we have nothing. Yeah, I didn't like that one at all. No. Okay, let's do some more. I was gearing myself up for this canvas too. I was excited. I saved it to do it towards the end of my filming today. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put one here again. And hope that I can pull it at an angle. Because I want balance. Okay, now I know where I have to go. So I'm going to have to come over in here and pull towards that way just a little bit. I don't have enough down here to compensate for what's up here. So we'll go here. Oops. Sticking. It was beautiful on the Payne's Gray, and I think it's because you're putting white on a blackish color. So when you start using different colors, they start looking different. Okay. That's better. That one was much better. But you know it's going to sell up because it's already starting to. So now I'm going to have to pull something here to compensate for all that white there. Yeah. I know where I have to go. And for all of you yelling, stop. Shh. I can't hear you anyway. Okay. We're probably going to do one in the middle too. It's getting enough white on there to offset that turquoise. Yeah, we'll do one in the window, one in the middle, and that will pull that residual string look out of there. I'm trying to get Artist Till Death, Jeff and Erica, to do a pull on the resin, so we'll see if they ever get around to doing that. I'm curious to see what it would look like. There is one guy here on YouTube. His name he goes by Archangel something. He did gold inside of purple resin. It was absolutely beautiful. But I want to see Jeff and Erica do it. Alright, let's see if I need to add maybe something here. And I'm going to put a small one there to break that one up again, because I've got too many lines here, so I need something there to cover that up. Little drip there. Okay, make it a small one. This is messy, I'll give you a warning. So make sure you have plenty of room. Oops. See, I told ya. Make sure you have plenty of room when you're doing this, because you gotta have some place to set your yarns. And I'm gonna do one little one here and I'm done. I promise. It's busy right now. And it does look like flowers. It's not abstract-y at all. It didn't do what I wanted it to do. Okay, I'm finished. I'm not going to put any more on there. So there you have it. It's a bouquet of celled up white leaves, and these are all probably going to sell a little bit there too. Like I said, I'm not sure why it's celled up. I didn't have that problem with the Payne's Gray. I didn't do anything different. I'm gonna say it's the Floetrol that messed with me a little bit here, but I'll take it. It's still pretty. Someone out there would absolutely love this, so I always keep that in mind, because I try not to keep too many. If I kept them all, my house would be covered in paintings. I have hundreds here. So if you're looking for paintings, check me out on Etsy. I'm running a 25% off sale right now. and you can get a good deal on one of your favorite paintings if you're watching the videos. And check me out on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. Shop with me on Amazon. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the notification bell next to the subscribe button. You'll know when I upload my next one. Click like and share. Leave a comment. I think I covered it all. So thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.